Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Overstock Partner Network for product category leads, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or device. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Overstock Partner Network login page. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the login fields. You will see a space to enter your username. Type your registered username into the designated field. Next, look for the password entry box. Enter your password carefully in this space. Before submitting, double-check that both your username and password are correct. Once you've confirmed your login details, locate the Login button. Click the Login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the dashboard. If you encounter an error message, verify your username and password again. If you forget your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on this link to initiate a password reset process. Follow the instructions provided in the email you received to change your password. Once logged in, navigate to the Product Category Leads section. Explore the featured categories to find potential products for promotion. Take note of any specific guidelines or resources available for partners. Familiarize yourself with the layout and options available on the dashboard. You are now ready to start utilizing the Overstock Partner Network for your product category leads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.